Welcome to Bridge Tutorials. In this video, we will cover how to view the platform's asset reporting features. For a detailed summary of how people have used or interacted with your assets, go to the Reports tab and then select Asset Report. The drop-down menus at the top of the screen give you different options for filtering your reports. You can also use this button to filter for keywords and this button to filter for specific asset types. Once you've configured your variables how you want them, click Generate. If you want, you can export this data as an Excel file using this button. Just give your file a name and then click Save. Below, you can see the performance of each individual asset. You can click on any of these hyperlinked numbers to view a report of a single specific item. Again, you can export this data as an Excel file by clicking on the vertical ellipsis at the upper right-hand corner of the menu, giving your file a name, and then clicking Save. And there you go. That is how you view and share the platform's asset reports. If you would like further assistance exploring the platform, feel free to visit our website, visit our help desk, or email support at mindmatrix.net.